Hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Fresh Bro
Nane, Fresh Bro
11.
and Fresh Mommy. In this video, we want to give a big shout out to our newest Fresh Bro 8. He just turned from 7 to 8. So from here on, it's gonna be Fresh Bro na Fresh Bro 8 or Fresh Bro Nane. So right. So he's the fresh. He's
right now.
the freshest.
For now, he's Fresh Bro 11. No, it is almost Christmas.
Yeah. So again, real quick, let me remind everybody, please get a copy of your my Fun Swahili book of things V2 so that you can follow along when we are going through the different things in the book. The whole idea is to try and teach you as many things around you as possible, to teach you the name of those things in Swahili. So Fresh Bros, are you ready? Alright, so we are going to go in the book. There is a page about like a birthday party celebration. So we are gonna go through that here real quick, just again to demonstrate how you learn the different things. So Fresh Bro 11, can you please read for me this sentence over here? Which means what? Read for me right here.
This is my birthday party celebration.
All right. So we are going to cover a couple of things that you might see in the party that we included over here. Some of them we did or didn't have. So that's what we're gonna go through as part of our learning. So try to read this for me. Fresh Bro Nane. I need to make sure I remember that. Read for me this.
Vitu vya sherehe.
Vitu vya
Sherehe.
sherehe.
Party thing.
You didn't finish this word. Vitu vya
sherehe.
sherehe. Vitu vya sherehe. Sherehe is party. So these are party things or things you might see in a party. Fresh Bro Saba, I'm gonna ask you during your sherehe. Sit back for me, love. Okay, during your sherehe, did you have a keki?
Of course.
What is keki?
Cake.
Fresh Bro 11, during the sherehe, did you see keki ya kikombe?
No.
Was there a keki ya kikombe?
The orange ones.
Right, the orange, the chocolate and vanilla ones, right? All right, Fresh Bro oh gosh, I was about to say Saba. Fresh Bro Nane.
Don't say Saba. I got like those kind of cupcakes, not like the mini ones.
Right. So, okay, Fresh Bro Nane, during your sherehe, was there peremende? What is peremende? Candy. I think actually I have some examples over here of peremende.
Which I must eat.
Peremende.
Jolly Ranchers.
Okay, put that one away. And which one is this one?
Starbucks.
Nahi?
Lollipopi.
Yeah,
Dum-dums.
Okay, all right. So those are, what are those called in Swahili? No. What are they called in Swahili? Peremende. Good job.
Let's eat a dum-dum.
Let me ask you, during your sherehe, was there ice cream?
Yes.
Ndio?
Yeah.
Oh, come back. Ice cream ni nini? Ice cream ni nini means what is ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream ni nini?
Ice cream. Like the word ice.
Ice cream.
A-I-S.
So ice cream is ice cream. Alright, during your sherehe, did you have mahindi? Hakukuwa na corn?
No.
That means there wasn't corn. Hakukuwa na corn because it wasn't a barbecue.
Yeah.
Because your sherehe is in the colder months. Alright. So mahindi is corn. During your sherehe, was there vibanzi?
No.
Hapana. Vibanzi is what? Fries. Good job. During your sherehe, was there mshuma or mishuma? Mshuma is one, mishuma is many. Yeah. What is mshuma?
Mshuma is kind of.
Mshuma is
Puto is bad.
it's close. It rhymes. Okay, so mshuma is what?
What is Iduma?
Iduma is Friday. Huh?
I don't even have anything similar.
Okay. Fresh bro nane. I need you. During your sherehe, was there puto?
Right here.
What is puto?
Right here.
Show us puto.
Right here.
What is that? We haven't seen it.
Balloon.
What is puto again?
Right here. Balloon.
Balloon. Awesome. Good job. So there was, let me see if we can have it stick over there. No. There was puto. Good job. Now during the sherehe, did you see any soda?
Oh yes, sir.
Soda. Show us soda.
Yes, sir.
You may not want to open that.
No, don't shake it, bro.
Come back. So soda ni nini? I'm asking you, what is soda? Soda ni nini?
Soda.
Soda ni soda. Awesome. So fresh bro saba.
Yeah. Saba.
Fresh bro nine. Oh my goodness, it's gonna take a minute to adjust.
How are you still stuck on 7, bro? I keep making him 9.
What? You're already on to 9? No, yet I'm not ready for 9.
You're nothing compared to me.
Okay, saba. Stop
Right,
with the
relax.
makelele. Stop with the makelele. Alright, question. During your sherehe, did you get a zawadi?
Yes.
What is
sir.
zawadi?
Gift.
Gift.
Present.
Good job. Did you like the zawadi? Maybe you show us the
Wait,
zawadi
could you
after.
say Zawadi is a present?
Zawadi is present. Yep. Zawadi is present. Now, fresh bros nane.
May.
Oh, fresh bro 11. Did fresh bro nane get some pesa? Dio? What is pesa?
His wallet broke.
What is his pesa? What is pesa? Pesa is
money right here.
right there. Good job. Now let me ask you something. During your sherehe, kulikuwa na juisi. What is juisi? Juice. Sit up for me, love. I'm waiting for you. Sit up. What else? During that sherehe fresh bro 11 kulikuwa na nafaka.
Hey, Nambari snack.
Nafaka is
Oh
snacks.
yeah.
Nafaka is
A
lot.
snacks. Yeah, there's a lot of snacks.
I thought you were talking about chips. I was like, we do not have chips.
I thought you were talking about cereal. Mommy, nafaka is cereal.
Oh yeah.
We forgot it,
Mommy,
right?
nafaka is
yeah.
cereal.
Nafaka is cereal. So this is.
Mackie said snacks.
Did Matthew say snacks?
Yeah.
Huh?
Bro, you confuse me. Don't look at me. You confuse me.
Oh wait. So nafaka is cereal. What is snacks?
That's why I assumed it was snacks.
Wait.
I don't know.
We gotta remember what was snack.
Snack
Come
is-
back.
Why do I feel like
Snack is vitafunio.
See, I'm the smart one.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
cap.
you know too much. Thank you for remembering that we are using the wrong one. So during the sherehe there was
I'm the
vitafunio.
smart one.
Can we see the
Cap.
smart one, please? Can we see the smart one?
You already seen him. I know, right?
Awesome. So we had vitafunio. What else was I gonna ask you? During your sherehe, was there ndizi?
Ay! Banana looks
Was
like
there
a
ndizi?
moon. No.
There was no ndizi.
Yes, there was.
There
Very
was.
few.
But maybe you
Very
didn't eat them,
few.
right? Do you like? I
Very
can't see
few.
you. I can't see you. I can come back.
There was bananas, of
Come back
course.
to you. Okay, so kuna ndizi? Kulikuwa na ndizi? Did you kula it? Did you kula it?
No.
Isn't that what you had for breakfast?
Yeah.
Probably. Now let me ask you, was there karatasi?
It's paper.
Yeah, kitambaa cha karatasi.
I don't know.
Oops.
Yes.
What is kitambaa cha karatasi?
Karatasi is right here.
Right,
Karatasi is right
karatasi
here.
is here, paper, and
Was
because
there
we call this
runinga?
paper napkin. So ni karatasi ya kitambaa cha karatasi. Alright, kaa chini tafadhali. Okay, so we are going to wrap this up now. Asanteni. Remember to get your book, and we are gonna start the videos. We're gonna start the recording, and then we're gonna start dropping the videos. Oh my. Is that your zawadi? Is that your zawadi?
Yeah.
Oh my. Asanteni sana. Thank you. It looks like people are eating peremende just before they go to bed at night.
No, that's water.
During the sherehe was there maji? Was there maji? Ulikunywa maji? Did you kunywa maji? You have to kunywa maji. Alright, kiddos, that's it. Everybody wish Fresh Brunane a happy birthday. Alright, Fresh Brunane, happy birthday. Kwaherini. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Follow.
follow. Awesome. Asanteni.